So, everybody, let's eat. Try natin in this side. Ayun, taste na tayo. Welcome everybody in Kusina ni RC episode 2. Yes, good day. It's another day. It's another new vlog. So everybody, as I mentioned earlier in our past vlogs, we will be having our new title, new episode, and actually this is already our second episode in Kusina ni RC. And our recipe for today is pasta with steak. Diba? As you know guys, we don't go to restaurants usually. We don't go to restaurants every month. And you know that we prefer here to eat in the house, cooked in the house. So it's like I'm bringing the restaurant here in Kusina ni RC. And today we will have this is rump steak guys. We have here butter. And we have here our heavy cream. Ano lang to siya? 33% fat. We have olive oil. We have salt. We have pepper. We have all-purpose seasoning. And we have Worcestershire. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it, but we will see. And of course, we have diced onion and our pasta and basil leaves, of course, fresh na fresh like me. And we have here cheese, grated cheese na to siya. We will put also parmesan. This kind of pasta guys is this is just like fettuccine. Parang ganyan lang siya kaliit. So bali naka-slice na siya. What we will do first is we will season the steak and then we will fry them. First is salt and pepper. You can like push them through so that the salt and pepper would really go into the meat. All-purpose seasoning. Maglagay din tayo guys sa other side para naman fair, di ba? Ayun. Massage a little bit. And I'd like to put Worcestershire. This is my first time ever using this. So we will see how the taste will be. Ayun. And the other side, of course. Ayun. So let's wait a little bit kasi we have to fry them and I need this space. We will get them here. Nagpapainit muna tayo ng pan while we are marinating the steak. Actually guys, you can also do marinating them ahead of time, like at least 2 hours or 1 hour. That would be good. Yun. So I'm so excited for this, our episode, our new Discover episode. I hope guys you enjoyed it. And because some of our subscribers really like to watch every time when I'm cooking. So I was thinking na if I would create a name. So that's why we created Kusina ni RC. Diba? So thank you po for the support and I'm so happy and I hope you are also happy. So ayun. So let's put now the olive oil. So we can now fry our steak. And then let's just do like that para ma-spread yung oil. So check para hindi na siya maano. Ayan, look at this. It's naano natin siya guys. This is a very easy recipe lang guys. Quick to make, quick to cook. I think guys, this steak is because I prefer well done. So I will really cook it through talaga. Kasi guys, si partner pag steak talaga gusto niya is well done. Well done tayo for our steak today. So actually, when we fry the steak guys, it's really depend on your choice kung anong gustong mga ingredients mo ilagay mo sa iyong recipes. Diba? I'd like to do like that, you know, para hindi siya masyado ma-burn yung base. So another flip. Okay lang mag-burn yung guys, yung base kasi may gagawin tayo later. Ayun, parang na siya guys because the blood is already lumabas na siya. Hindi mo masyado makita dyan. Oh. Look, para na siyang nag-ano guys. Yan, di ba? Yung each side niya is parang nagka-cross na siya. Yun ang masarap. Last flip na yan guys, and then it's already cooked. I haven't checked pa pala sa laman kung naluto talaga siya sa loob. Pero I think it's cooked na siya guys sa loob. Kasi malalaman mo yan guys pag binaliktad mo siya, tapos mga couples of minutes, pag meron pa siyang lumabas na blood sa ibabaw, that means hindi pa luto yung loob. And I think it's been more than 2 minutes na ata guys. Wala na siyang blood na lumabas. So that means luto na siya sa loob. Guys, it's already cooked ang ating steak. I'll just put here guys malinis naman tong ating chopping board. Kasi dito tayo magsa-slice. Look at this. It looks so yummy, di ba? So ganyan siya guys dapat. Look at that. Diba? Yan. Diba? Ang sarap. Tingnan. Set aside muna natin yung ating luto na steak. Ready na tayo for our sauce. Kasi ang sauce natin guys for today is a little bit creamy. So pahinaan ko lang yung apoy. This one, it's very siya guys. Gagamitin natin yan. It's very almost burnt out. Pero kailangan natin yan. Anyways, mawawala yan kasi cream naman to. Maglalagay lang tayo ng butter. Just do like that. Ayun. And then add the onions. Ayun. I'm gonna use this because we have to scrape the base para makuha yung mga, kasi galing to sa steak guys. We can now add our heavy cream. I'm gonna use 400 grams. This is 200 grams. And I'll put some more. 200 grams. So all in all, 400 grams siya lahat. And then palakasan natin yung apoy para siya. Ayun. We will just let them boil hanggang mag-sticky yung guys, yung cream. When it's necessary, you can also put cornstarch para if you want a very sticky or very creamy na sauce. We will see later if we need cornstarch. So this time we can add pepper. And salt. And also our all-purpose seasoning. Just a little bit because we fried naman dito yung steak na may all-purpose seasoning, diba? And then our grated cheese. But later na siya guys, if we don't need to put cornstarch, we have to check first pa kung yung consistency niya. If it's not so sticky, then put some cornstarch and then later the cheese. Any form of cheese, you can put cheddar, parmesan, and we have here parang sa regular cheese lang to siya. Look at now our sauce. It should be boiling guys para siya, para magsisticky na siya. So of course we have to check them if it tastes good or not, di ba? Okay, we just need a little bit of salt, and this time I'm gonna put from here because and then I'm gonna use my hands. So we have magic. Magic of hands. So just do like that. And then magwi-wait lang talaga tayo hanggang mag-sticky yung cream. Yun. Ang bango. So wait lang tayo guys. Tapos pahinaan ko na siya na konti yung apoy because we are now going to add the cheese. For me, I think I don't need to put cornstarch. But it's up to you guys. If you want to put cornstarch, then of course do it. And then this, I'm going to put everything, I guess. Para cheesy yung ating sauce. cheesy siya. Yun. And just see, nagsisticky na siya after we put the cheese. Pahinaan ko pa siya ng masyado guys kasi look at that, it's so sticky. And it's ano pa talaga siya ha. I want to try first before natin ilagay yung pasta. It's good actually. And we can now add the pasta guys. Actually, nagluto na ako ng pasta ahead of time. So, ganyan lang siya. Mix lang siya ng mix. And then this time guys, I have to turn off the heat para hindi siya mag-burn. And then mix lang. Mix ng mix. And then for the herbs, you can now put anything. Parsley, whatsoever guys. We have here also our basil. So we're going to put that later. Ayun. Look at our cheesy, creamy pasta. Diba? Ayun. Ready na siya. And guys, before I forget, I would like to put, meron ako ditong, pinatong ko yung ano dito, Parmesan. So gusto ko siya lagyan ng Parmesan para medyo ano din siya guys. A little bit of salty, something like that. Ayun. Let's put them aside muna guys kasi we have to slice now our steak. And atin lang tong anuhin. Is a slice. Before natin siya ilagay sa plate. And then oh my god, this is super duper creamy. Hindi ko na tuloy maano. And then we're going to put now our steak. Just like that. And ayun. Ayun. And then we will get some from our fresh bay leaves for the garnish, diba? And then just get some like 2. So malinis naman tong ating bay leaves. So let's just put ano lang guys, dyan in the middle. And I like to put 2. Ayun. And I'm going to put some more Parmesan with my hands over the steak. Ayun. Kasi gusto ko marami. Ayun, guys. Ayun ang ating, diba? It's, of course, guys, we have to taste them. But, before we will taste them, guys, I would like to have a wine with it. Diba? I mean, the better partner for steak, guys, is red wine. So, let's have red wine, diba? Wait, nag-ano pa ako? Nagkalat pa si RC. Ayan, of course. Cheers! Drink muna ako. So, the moment of truth, we have to taste them. I smell so cheesy, creamy, and the steak of our season. So everybody, let's eat. Try natin in this side. I cannot wait, guys. I cannot just wait. I have to get this from top because marami siyang Parmesan. Uy, sumama pa. And then with our steak. Ayun, taste na tayo. Oh my god. Baileys. Basil. My god. I'll call a partner and have him taste Wait lang guys. So, dito na si partner. Ipataste natin niya. Ipapataste natin siya. How is it? This is well done, so you don't have to worry.
Yeah.
Okay, partner. You have to eat with basil. 9. Ayun. Good?
Yeah. Oh, very good.
More?
Yeah.
So guys, thank you for watching. We will have dinner now. So everybody, that would be all for today. Thank you for watching, and please guys, don't forget to share our vlogs. And thank you for watching. And if you like our video for today, please don't forget to click the like button. At sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na po kayo. And thank you po so much for subscribing. Just click the subscribe button po. And of course guys, bell button naman para kayo ma-notified every time meron tayong new uploads. Maraming salamat po again, and thank you po. Until in my next vlog. Ingat everybody. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. So, dinner.
Yeah.